Electrical and electronics engineering offers a wide range of opportunities, and programming languages can greatly enhance your skills and career options in this field. Let's explore some popular programming languages that are particularly suitable for electrical and electronics engineers. First up is Python. Python is a versatile language that has gained huge popularity in recent years. Its simplicity and readability make it a greater choice for beginners. Python has a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks that cater to various engineering applications. For example, in the domain of data analysis, libraries such as NumPy and Pandas provide powerful tools for manipulating and analyzing large data sets. Engineers can also leverage libraries like SciPy and Scikit-learn for tasks such as signal processing, machine learning, and simulation. Python's flexibility extends to automation as well, allowing engineers to develop scripts for tasks like data acquisition, instrument control, and test automation. Next, we have MATLAB, a language specifically designed for numerical computation and data visualization. MATLAB is widely used in engineering fields, including electrical and electronics engineering. It offers a rich set of functions and toolboxes tailored for tasks such as signal processing, control systems, and simulation. Engineers can utilize MATLAB syntax to quickly prototype and validate algorithms, visualize data, and develop complex systems. MATLAB's extensive plotting capabilities enables engineers to create informative visualizations for experimental data or system responses, facilitating analysis and decision making. Moving on to C and C++, these languages are commonly employed in embedded systems and low-level programming. Their efficiency and direct hardware access make them ideal choice for developing firmware and working with microcontrollers. C and C++ are used in applications ranging from real-time systems to communication protocols and device drivers. Engineers proficient in these languages can delve into the complex details of hardware interfaces, optimize code for performance, and create reliable systems that interact closely with the physical world. For digital design and FPGA, that is Field Programmable Gate Array development, hardware description languages like VHDL and Verilog are essential. These languages enables engineers to describe and simulate digital circuits and systems. By using VHDL or Verilog, engineers can design and test complex digital designs, ensuring functionality and correctness before implementation on FPGA devices. With the increasing adoption of programmable logic devices, knowledge of VHDL or Verilog is highly valuable for engineers working in areas like digital signal processing, communications, and embedded systems. Lastly, let's consider Julia. Julia is a relatively new language gaining momentum in the scientific computing and numerical analysis domains. It combines the high-level ease of use of languages like Python with the performance of low-level languages like C and Fortran. Julia excels in applications that involves complex mathematical computations, simulations, and optimization. Electrical and electronics engineers working with the complex models or computationally intensive algorithms can benefit from Julia's speed and impressiveness. In conclusion, the choice of a programming language depends on your specific interest and the area of electrical and electronics engineering you wish to follow. Python offers versatile, MATLAB excels in numerical computation, C or C++ provides low-level control, VHDL or Verilog is essential for digital design, and Julia delivers high-performance computing capabilities. It's also worth mentioning that being flexible and open to learning multiple languages can significantly enhance your career options, allowing you to tackle a wider range of projects and challenges. Remember, choosing the right programming language is just the beginning. Continuously sharpening your programming skills and staying up to date with industry trends and applying your knowledge to real world problems will pave the way for successful career in electrical and electronics engineering. Thank you for watching this video and share this video with your friends.